go. First issue of the trip, pulled into a service station just because we were getting a bit wobbly on the highway. Turns out the wheel nuts were pretty loose and the steering dampener was pretty loose too. So we're good to go now. Just in Childers, chilling, get it?
Say hi.
Hello.
We'll do a walk around.
We spent the first night of the trip in the Bundaberg Beach Caravan Park. It was a great spot. We had the unpowered section. We set up nicely in the afternoon and settled in for a bit of a windy night as the wind was coming straight off the ocean and pretty much straight into the rooftop tent. Day two, we're just at Bundaberg Beach Caravan Park. We're in the what do you call it? Unpowered section. We've got a nice little setup here. Yeah, so we're just getting ready to have some breakfast. Going to go for a bit of a drone fly and see what's around the place. The wind was quite blowy last night, so it's dropped down this morning. So yeah, enjoy the day. Just down at the beach. This is the Bundaberg Beach Surf Club. Lovely morning out on the water. Quite choppy out there yesterday, but seems to have died down a bit today.
Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we're never say never. Sitting in the sandpit, life is too short. Trip, the music's for the sadness. Can you imagine when this race is won? Turn our golden faces into the sun. Praising Ali.
Had the Mavic up in the air. Unfortunately, it was getting a bit windy and I was getting a high wind warning saying return to your spot. Time for some breakfast. Tali's just gone for a run and yeah.
Down like an Armageddon flame. The shame, the ones who died without a name. Yeah, the dogs howling out of key to a hymn called Faith and Misery, and bleed the company lost the war and dead. I beg to dream and differ from the hollowed eyes. This is the dawning of the rest of our lives on holiday.
After spending most of the day driving, we ended up in Yeppoon, just outside of Rockhampton, on a nice little private property called Wranglewood. The sun was setting and we were getting ready to set up camp right on the edge of a big salt flat. Day number 3. We're still on, this is Wranglewood property. Came in here last night, which you probably would have seen some of the videos. Got a bit windy, so we took the awning down. But nah, we're going good. Charlie's doing a bit of a workout this morning. Me, of course, am not. Yeah, it's a very nice day today. Got a bit of rain somewhere over there, but hopefully it stays away.
After leaving Yeppoon and the Capricorn Caves, we headed north to a place called Notch Point, which we found on our map. There wasn't an awful lot of information, nor was there many pictures, so we were hoping for the best and hope we could get a good night's sleep.
Just pulling up to Notch Point now, it seems like. Came through a couple of salt flats on the way. So yeah, let's see what this goes to. Just pulled up to Notch Camp, which is a free camping zone and is completely serene. This is possibly the best camp I've ever seen, let alone a free camp. There is just heaps of camps all the way through. Amazing.
I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
We always do it this time. I got to shine.
Welcome to the good life, where niggas are CLD, won't even get pulled over in they new V. The good life, let's go on a living spree. Shit, they say the best things in life are free. The good life, it feel like Atlanta, it feel like LA, it feel like Miami, it feel like NY, summertime shy. Now throw your hands up in the sky. So I rolled the good, y'all pop the trunk, I pop the hood, Ferrari. And she got the good, and she got that ass, I got to look sorry. Yo, it's got to be, cause I'm see.
We're currently unpacking from camper to go into bags to go to island.